Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
From passion project to paycheck, turning your hobby into a business. Do you love what you do in your free time? Imagine spending your days doing what you love and getting paid for it. Maybe you bake amazing cakes, craft beautiful jewelry, or write captivating stories. These hobbies can be more than just a pastime. What if you could turn that passion into a profitable business? It's totally possible. Many people have done it, and so can you. Many successful businesses started as hobbies. Turning your hobby into a business is exciting and rewarding. It allows you to wake up every day with a sense of purpose and joy. It lets you share your passion with the world. You can connect with others who appreciate your work and build a community around your brand. Plus, you get to be your own boss. You have the freedom to make decisions, set your own schedule, and create a work-life balance that suits you. Ready to take the leap? Let's dive in. LLCs, the what and why for hobbyists. If you're a hobbyist thinking about turning your passion into a business, understanding LLCs is crucial. So, what's an LLC anyway? You might have heard the term thrown around, but let's break it down. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a popular business structure for small business owners and hobbyists alike. It's a legal structure that protects your personal assets from business liabilities. This means that if your business incurs debt or faces a lawsuit, your personal belongings like your house, car, and savings are generally safe. Think of it as a shield between your personal life and your business. This shield ensures that your personal assets are not at risk if something goes wrong with your business. Why is this important for hobbyists? Well, turning a hobby into a business can be exciting, but also comes with its own set of risks. Imagine this. Someone gets hurt using a product you made. Even if it was an honest mistake, you could be held responsible. If you're operating as an individual, you could be held personally liable. This means that your personal assets, like your home or car, could be at risk to cover any damages or legal fees. But with an LLC, your personal assets, like your house or car, are protected. This legal structure separates your personal and business liabilities, providing peace of mind. For hobbyists, this means you can focus on what you love without constantly worrying about the potential financial risks. Setting up an LLC might seem daunting, but it's a straightforward process. You can even consult with a legal professional to guide you through the steps. Typically, it involves filing articles of organization with your state and paying a small fee. Some states have additional requirements, so it's important to check local regulations. Once your LLC is set up, you'll have the legal protection you need to confidently grow your hobby into a thriving business. So, whether you're crafting, baking, or building, an LLC can provide the security and peace of mind to take your hobby to the next level. Remember, protecting your personal assets is just as important as pursuing your passion. An LLC can be the key to a successful and secure business journey. For more information, consider reaching out to a legal advisor to discuss the best options for your specific situation. Happy hobbying, and here's to your future success. Why you might want an LLC for your side hustle. If you've been running a side hustle, you might have wondered whether it's worth the effort to formalize it into a legal entity. One popular option is to create a limited liability company, or LLC. Creating an LLC for your hobby-based business offers several benefits. First and foremost, it provides a layer of legal protection. This means that your personal assets, like your home and savings, are generally protected if your business faces any legal issues or debts. One key advantage is the legal protection we talked about. By separating your personal and business liabilities, an LLC can shield you from potential lawsuits and financial troubles that might arise from your business activities. This peace of mind is priceless, allowing you to focus on growing your business without constant worry. Imagine being able to work on your passion project without the nagging fear of losing your personal assets. It's a game changer for many entrepreneurs. Another benefit is the potential for tax advantages. LLCs can be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation, depending on what's most beneficial for your situation. LLCs offer flexibility in how you're taxed, which can lead to significant savings. For instance, you might be able to avoid double taxation or take advantage of pass-through taxation, where the business income is only taxed once on your personal tax return. Plus, having an LLC can make your business seem more credible and professional to potential customers and collaborators. When people see that you've taken the step to formalize your business, they're more likely to trust and take you seriously. This credibility can open doors to new opportunities, such as partnerships, funding, and larger client contracts. It signals that you're committed and serious about your business. Additionally, an LLC can make it easier to manage your business finances. With a separate business bank account and credit card, you can keep your personal and business expenses distinct, simplifying bookkeeping and financial planning. Consulting with a business advisor or attorney can help you understand the specific benefits and requirements of forming an LLC in your state. They can guide you through the process and ensure you're making the best decision for your unique situation. In summary, forming an LLC for your side hustle can provide legal protection, tax advantages, enhanced credibility, and easier financial management. It's a step worth considering as you grow and scale your business. Creating your LLC, a step-by-step guide. Ready to form your LLC? The process is simpler than you might think. First, choose a unique name for your business and register it with your state. Then, file your articles of organization with your state's Secretary of State office. Next, get an Employer Identification Number (EIN) from the IRS. Finally, open a separate bank account for your business. And just like that, you're in business. Section 5. Reaping the rewards benefits of an LLC for your hobby business. Once you have your LLC set up, you can fully enjoy the benefits. You'll have the legal protection you need to operate with confidence. Plus, you may be eligible for tax breaks that can save you money. Having an LLC can also boost your credibility, making it easier to attract customers and partners. It shows that you're serious about your business and committed to its success. Section 6. Navigating the potential challenges of an LLC. While forming an LLC offers numerous advantages, it's essential to be aware of some potential challenges. Setting up and maintaining an LLC involves paperwork and fees. You'll need to keep your business finances separate from your personal finances, which requires careful bookkeeping. Finally, the specific regulations and requirements for LLCs vary by state. It's crucial to research and understand the rules in your area. Section 7. Success Stories. From hobbyists to LLC owners. Countless individuals have successfully turned their hobbies into thriving businesses with the help of LLCs. Take Sarah, for example. She loved making natural soaps and candles in her kitchen. She started selling them at local craft fairs and online. As her business grew, she formed an LLC to protect her assets and gain credibility. Today, Sarah's company is a thriving online store, shipping her beautiful handcrafted products nationwide. Section 8. Taking the leap. Is an LLC right for your hobby? Deciding whether to form an LLC is a personal decision. Consider factors like your business goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. If you're serious about growing your hobby into a sustainable source of income, forming an LLC might be the right move. It provides legal protection, potential tax advantages, and increased credibility. These benefits can give you the confidence and security to pursue your passion with greater peace of mind. Section 9. Getting started. Resources and support for hobby-based LLCs. You don't have to navigate the world of LLCs alone. Plenty of resources and support are available to help you. The Small Business Administration, SBA, offers free counseling and resources for small business owners, including information on forming and managing LLCs. Online legal services like LegalZoom and Rocket Lawyer can simplify the LLC formation process. These services guide you through the paperwork and filings, making it hassle-free. Section 10. Turning your passion into profit. You can do it. Turning your hobby into a profitable business is an exciting and fulfilling journey. It takes passion, dedication, and a bit of planning. Forming an LLC can be a valuable step in protecting your assets, maximizing your profits, and building a brand you're proud of. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Take that leap of faith and share your unique talents with the world. You've got this.